Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. There are a few people in my life that benefit greatly from compression socks, and I have not found a better pair than these compression thigh-high socks from Mojo. The thing that impressed me the most was their ability to stay in place throughout my various daily activities and even exercise. Because they have this wonderful rubber grip top, I found that they are comfortable to wear for extended periods of time, and I don't have to constantly adjust them. They are made from a very thick and durable material, and also I was really impressed by the strong stitching. I think these will last me for years. They come in 10 different sizes from small to 7X and 5 different colors to choose from. I am 5'3" and around 200 pounds, and I got these in the largest size for my mom, who's quite a bit heavier than I am and did not want to be on camera, so here we are. But I think that a 3 or a 4X would fit me perfectly. Now, anyone that's familiar with compression socks knows that they are difficult to put on and remove, but as far as that goes, I thought these were fairly easy. I have definitely dealt with worse. So if you're in the market for a really great pair of compression socks that will give you a ton of support and stay in place all day, then you need to try these compression socks from Mojo. And that's my point of view.